Hello guys, and today I'm going to tell you how to find the area of a trapezium. So, first of all, I'll just tell you the formula right after I erase all this. Okay, good. So, the formula for finding out the area of a trapezium is A plus B divided by 2 times by the height. And I'll show you what this means. So here is an example of a trapezium. The height, let's just say it will be 5 centimeters, and then on one side it's 2 centimeters, and this side will be 4 centimeters. Not drawn to scale, by the way. And this is A and this is B. You can swap them around. It doesn't matter, but just add them up. So 4 plus 2, that's 6. And we all know that 6 divided by 2, that's just 3. And then 3 times 5, well, that's 15 centimeters squared.